morning everyone. Today I'm going to cook my chicken curry in my own style. This is the chicken. If you see, I clean it properly. And now I will put here, like what I always told you, I'm not using oil too much. I will just wait the oil from the chicken. So now I'm going to on the fire like this. The ingredient of my chicken curry: lemongrass, green chili, and garlic, onion, saka this is ginger, and red pepper. Yeah, carrots and potato. I will just put them together, and of course the what to call this, curry powder, light sauce, patis, of course salt, and this is coconut milk. This is from coconut milk. This is the first, and this is the second. Okay, so now I put here, I want to put some salt first. And then I will mix them a little bit. And I will put this patis. And then I will cover. Later I will check. After 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will just put fire on low fire. Now I'm going to check. It's boiling. So we will just wait the oil come out from the chicken. Then we will put the ingredients. By the way, this is sweet basil, and this one I will just put here together, so the smell. And I boil them together with this lemongrass, stick of the lemongrass. So I cover again to wait the oil from the chicken. Now we're going to check. We will going to check. As you see, the almost oil come out. So what can we do now? We put this on one side. We fry here in one side. Lot of ginger, right? I put little bit high the fire. Next is this one I include here to fry, but later I will remove. Now I will remove the chili, the red pepper chili. Red pepper. So they're like this now. As you see, like that. Now I will mix in the chicken. Now I will just put here potato and carrots. And will cover a little bit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will come back to put the other ingredients. So it's like this now. So what I can do, I will put the curry powder. How I use that, I will put this coconut milk. This is yummy. So I will just put all here the second coconut milk. And then I will put here. And this one. Then I will cover again for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. The important that we always check. I put fire a little high. Then I will check again. So now I will see, I will check again. This look like yummy. Wow, so need to stir like this. Mix, mix, mix. Now I will just put here the top. The same time, this is, by the way, this is chili powder. I just put little bit because I like spicy. So now I check how is it. Yummy. the potato is cooked because I don't want to overcook the potato and the carrots. I will cover for 2 to 3 minutes. This is the first coconut milk, coconut oil, and coconut milk. I will just do it like this. And then this is to just get the smell later. If you cook this, you will get the good smell. So I just leave it like this, but I watch this. I will not cover it yet. At the same time, I cook my rice here with the how to call this, pandan leaves. This is the pandan leaves to get the rice very good smell. So it's like this now. I let it boil 3 to 5 minutes, then it's ready to serve. Mga kaibigan, ito na ngayon ang ating chicken curry. This is our chicken curry now. This is cooked and ready to serve. It's ready to serve now. So I will switch off the fire and I will serve inside. This is my finished product of my chicken curry. Looks so good and yummy. This all is no oil involved. This is very healthy. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching and I hope you continue support me. Thanks a lot.